Do your hair. Beautiful.
The wind is a little
Wind in your hair.
The wind in your hair. Okay.
Okay, so here I am. I'm with Daniel Hör, right?
Yes.
And we're at the Leipzig show. And on Facebook yesterday, Daniel saw a post about this amazing glider that you've got, powered glider.
Yes.
So could you tell me something about it?
Yeah. This is ITA from me. I have built this with a mold. This is 3D printed, and with vacuum forming make I this little glider. This is powered by two 4 millimeters.
Tiny.
Engine. It's very tiny.
Let me get up close and focus on that. Amazing.
Yes.
And that actually pops
out.
It pops out.
When I give thrust, comes out, and when I go backwards with thrust, it goes inside.
Right. Okay.
Yes. And this is the transmitter. I can open it. The transmitter is a Deltang.
It's the receiver is
Yes,
what?
yes, the receiver.
Oh, okay, right.
Yes, it's with 3 ESCs. I need all 3 ESCs for thrust, elevator, and rudder.
Okay. Now the servos aren't typical servos; they're linear actuators. Is that
It's
what you
actuators.
Actuators.
He works with magnets. It's the same thing via a motor ESC. I give pull up. The servo becomes a little bit electric, strong, and the elevator goes upside or downside.
Fantastic. Okay. And in terms of the airframe itself, is this Depron?
This is Depron, yes.
But it's molded.
It's molded with a vacuum and heat, and
Okay.
with a vacuum desk, we can make this beautiful gliders. It's one of more gliders when we make.
So how thin is that Depron? It looks
This
like
is 0.2 millimeters or 0.5 millimeters.
super thin,
Super thin.
super light.
Super light. It's 10 grams.
Amazing. Fantastic. Thanks very much for showing me that.
No problem. This is battery.
That's the battery.
This is battery.
Okay. So Daniel's kindly going to give us a quick flying demonstration. And the glider itself is modelled on what? The full size glider, yes.
Yes. It's ITA.
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 Okay.
Gernot Bruckmann has the same glider with 15.6 meters.
Right.
This
is a smaller version.
This is a smaller version. Yes. It's a half from his elevator. From the span.
Yeah.
Gernot's ITA, I mean his 2 meters elevator span, and this is 1 meter. This is the half.
Okay. Great. Okay, so let's watch it fly. So maybe you could show me just that motor and how it pops up. If I could I hold it and then
Yes.
very delicately. Right, okay. Would you like me to launch for you? Or off the floor?
On the floor.
Okay. Hold on. Here we go.
Ich wiederhole, Spannung der Überkreuzungskurve von der IHK unterhalb der Veranstaltung DMFV.
Is there any chance of catching a thermal in here, Daniel? I don't think so. That is amazing.
ja, jetzt sieht man natürlich schade, das ist schon warum gar nicht. Ja, nee, aber